Vegetables are a powerful tool. In Sacramento, kids face a 40% childhood obesity rate. 1 in 3 kids has type 2 diabetes. These are all preventable if we eat our vegetables. Our vegetables and our health are more important than ever. California's Surgeon General called for Californians to maintain a nutritious diet to combat the stress caused by the COVID pandemic. The recession has increased food and nutrition insecurity in our most vulnerable communities. Healthy food, when provided with dignity and joy, can heal. Improving food access builds resilience in our communities. Our work has never been more important. Through the Nourishing Neighbors grant during the COVID crisis, we have provided recipe boxes to students and families in the elementary schools we serve. These students learned cooking and nutrition from our nonprofit, and they love their veggies. Sending them home with healthy, fresh ingredients to make their own meals for a family of 4 allows them to stay healthy and do something they enjoy. So far, we have distributed 100 veggie recipe boxes filled with 1,274 pounds of produce at 6 Title I elementary schools. And we're just getting started. We're grateful for our partners in the school district's nutrition services department who team with us to make these recipe kits possible during school lunch distributions. And we're grateful to Nourishing Neighbors for the funds to make this possible. Thank you.